Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80073D0D on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and it reads something when unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand to better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help you. Let's fix that issue, guys. For that, go to search menu and type ws reset SCT or ESCT. Opens up run command, click on it. This will clear up the Microsoft Store cache, guys. Wait for it. After getting done, close out of here, go to search menu and type cmd. Opens up command prompt. Click run as administrator and click yes. Now in this command prompt window, we just need to type sfc space slash SCANNOW, sfc space slash SCANNOW. Press enter, guys. This is while checking utility scan, guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100%, guys. After getting done, close out of here and restart your PC. You should good to go, guys. After that, your problem has been resolved. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.